My name is Lydia Marcus. I am the administrator of Ebenezer Jagannath Marcus Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Ambattur, Chennai. We are on our 47th year of educating students. We have from kindergarten till grade 12. So in terms of what we have in our school in academics, and now we've introduced oral English lab product as part of the curriculum itself. They come to the lab weekly twice. So I came to a conclusion that I needed something that will be interesting, something that they can kind of visualize and then perceive, rather than me being this one person just says speak in English. So I was actually browsing for a lot of in market. If you see, there are products, spoken English, for spoken English or English as such, there are many other products that is available. So believe me when I say that I sat through many demos of products, but and oral was something that I googled myself. I was doing my research. I was trying to find what is the product, what are the products that are available in the market, so to see where I can, which will fit me better. And all the products that I've been through is kind of one-dimensional. It's either the conversation that they focus on, it is only the communication part. It's just like, having dialogues. So you will, some products, like as I said, it's pretty one-dimensional. So either they were focusing on the public speaking skill, or they were focusing on the grammar, or they were focusing on the vocabulary. So I came to a conclusion, and even though there were some products that I really liked, they had good vocabulary and in terms of grammar, but then we didn't have phonics incorporated into it. So that is when I found, when I was just having this oral demo, I thought this is what I like because it has everything. So I can pick and choose. Maybe for this year, I have a goal saying, let me focus on the pronunciation. So I'm able to do that with oral. And next year, I have a goal where I can improve the vocabulary of the children. I can do it with oral because oral accent gives me this entire bundle. I can pick and choose what I need. And number two is every other product required, said they need a PC for every child. So but then when I spoke with oral and they gave me an option, okay, you can have an interactive panel, you can have a teacher in an English lab setup, where right now for me, this is something I wanted. I didn't want to have a one-to-one, a child to PC con. I needed a portal, I needed a screen where a teacher can guide them through the process, break it in. So once they are there, then I can take it to the next level of having a child sit in a PC. So oral that way really helped me, and especially as I told you, I was able to pick and choose. So it will be like a one-stop product for my grade 1 till grade 12. And we can all have kind of, one place where we have any topic that we need. The English lab classes, we started the classes in June and it's going on well. And I love the intercultural program, the weekly Zoom meetings that we have. A couple of our students have attended it and I love. I thought my children need that exposure. Right now they are in a small circle. It's just the friends at school and home and teachers. That's all that they do. And obviously then you have imaginary wider circle, which is the phone, social media. So, that's all that they are into. So this will give them an insight into different things. And I think discussing with different children from different parts of the world definitely is an added advantage. I really love this program. These children come from a background where the parents don't speak English. And I'm so surprised. It makes me so happy when I see such children speak in English because I know it's 100% us. They don't get that support from their parents at home. You really feel happy about it. So I think oral now, partnering with oral, I'm much more looking forward to see more changes. Right now, my children are at where they are trying to speak in English. But then with oral, I believe they will be able to be, articulate well, speak proper, use grammar. So that I'm looking forward for it. So now the intercultural program, right now we have the coordinator is doing an excellent job. Out of my interest, believe me, I sat for the 45 minutes, I was listening to different children speak. But that's my level of interest in this program as well, So I just took off time and I was listening, completely doing my work. So we can let them talk with each other. Even the one who's hesitant to speak also will speak up. Yeah. They will at least have a kind of a push to speak. When I signed up for oral, we have 2 schools in our management. So I did sign up for both the schools. So because my sister is the principal of the other school as well. So I told her, see, there are products that I have sat for demos with, and I feel that oral is something that will cater to what we need. So already we've signed 2 of our schools for it. So, and I definitely will recommend oral to people who are requesting for it. And also, it's because it gives us the flexibility. That is a major part of oral. If anybody, if there is one point which I will speak on behalf of oral is, it gives us the flexibility to choose what I want, because I know where my children are. It's impossible for any product as in to say where my children are, because I exactly know where they fail, what they need. So oral gives me the flexibility to pick and choose. Okay, I know grade 1 needs this. Okay, let me do this. So there even though there are grade 8 or grade 9 children, their level might be very low. So I will know exactly where to start from. So I can also use teachers, and I can share links with teachers as well for their enhancing their English skill also. So definitely I would recommend oral. So I am kind of, obviously you do a lot of research before opting it, because you don't do it for the sake of putting on the board that I have an English lab at school. I don't do it for that, right? So we don't do it. So when we select a product, when we want something, in our school, I want it to work. I want something that will give an output that I'm expecting. And when we believe in something, you want it to work, and it's just not for the sake of doing it. So we want it to work. So I have a dedicated teacher for oral now, who is completely doing only, this. So oral is their life at school now. And because it's something that, you don't do it with your mind, you work with heart and soul. So I want oral to be successful in our school, and I want to give you a feedback, just not by words, but by statistics saying, this child was at this level, but I can see this child, this child has improved so much more. So it's just not about words. I want to give you a report saying, sir, oral has worked, and for example, this child so and so, and this was how she spoke and now she's improved. So I am looking forward to that point.